Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Wyverns Cradle Quest in Crimson Desert, which is part of the wider Children of the Woods quest chain. So this is the last one that I need to get. And in order to get this one, you need to come to this area of the map in the southeastern part of the world here. So I'm in Delicia, west of Dewhaven here and west of the Cliffs of Despair, and I'm just northeast of Three Brothers Cliff. Now it's quite important to note here that there is a boss in this area and the mobs here are quite high level, and you do not want to approach from any side here as there are numerous enemies. You want to come to this side basically where there's only a light patrol. So from here we want to go ahead and make our way in. Now what you want to do is make your way through the ruins of the stone and get to this area here, and make sure that when you jump you can clear the cliff to the first layer. You do not want to fall all the way down here as that's not the right area. You want to basically come to this first cliff, and then once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go inside and you'll actually find the child right here. So once you've done that bit, that's fairly easy to do, and then we go ahead and speak to Alder, and then we complete the chat dialogue, and there we have it. We've now completed Wyverns Cradle. So I really hope that this video helps, guys. Please do leave a like and subscribe if it does. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to loot the chest here as well, as it's a nice little bonus, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.